Hello everyone, my name is Marie-Claire M. Buladete, and as you can see, our topic for today is biodiversity. So, what does bio and diversity means? So, bio means life and diversity means variety. So, biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including the diversity of species, ecosystems, and genetic diversity within and among species. It encompasses the diversity of all living organisms, from microbes to plants to animals. In this presentation, we will explore the importance of biodiversity, the threats it faces, and what we can do to protect it. We will also highlight some of the amazing and unique species that make up the biodiversity of our planet. So there are three types of biodiversity. First is species diversity, second is genetic diversity, and third is ecosystem diversity. So, species diversity. Species diversity refers to the variety of different species that exist within a particular ecosystem or geographical area. It encompasses both the number of different species present as well as the relative abundance of each species. So, high species diversity indicates a healthy and resilient ecosystem, as different species have unique roles and interaction that contribute to ecosystem functioning and stability. Species diversity can be affected by a range of factors such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and invasive species. Conserving and protecting species diversity is essential for maintaining the health of our planet and ensuring the survival of various species. Next is genetic diversity. Genetic diversity refers to the variation in the genetic makeup of individuals within a population or among different populations of the same species. It is the result of mutation, genetic recombination, and other mechanisms that lead to changes in the DNA sequences of an organism's genes. So, genetic diversity refers to the range of different inherited traits with a species. In a species within high genetic diversity, there are there would be many individuals with a wide variety of different traits. Genetic diversity is critical for a population to adapt to changing environments. For example, the population of humans consists of individuals with different physical traits reflecting their genetic diversity. Apart from between species, genetic diversity may also be observed among species. So next is ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of ecosystems that exist within a region or on a planet. Ecosystems are communities of living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms interacting with each other and with their physical environment. So here are some importance of biodiversity. So as I was said, biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth and is incredibly important for a number of reasons. So here are some key points to consider. Ecosystem services. Biodiversity provides important ecosystem services such as air and water purification, nutrient cycling, soil fertility, pollination, pest control, and climate regulation. Food and medicine. Biodiversity is a key source of food, medicine, and other valuable resources. Cultural and spiritual importance. Biodiversity is also important for cultural and spiritual reasons. Resilience in environmental change. Biodiversity also plays a critical role in maintaining the resilience of ecosystems in the face of environmental change. Economic importance. Biodiversity also has significant economic value, providing opportunities for ecotourism, recreation, and research. So, these are the value of biodiversity: conservation value, scientific and educational value, and economic benefits. On conservation value, biodiversity has intrinsic value and is a critical component of Earth's natural heritage. It is important to protect and conserve biodiversity for future generations and to ensure the continued health and resilience of our planet's ecosystem. In scientific and educational value, biodiversity is a rich source of knowledge and inspiration for scientists, educators, and students. It provides insight into the working of the natural world and offers opportunities for innovation and discovery. And lastly, the economic benefits. Biodiversity supports a wide range of economic activities, including agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and tourism. These industries provide jobs, income, and food security for millions of people around the world. So here are some threats rather, to, bi- to biodiversity. Habitat destruction. Habitat loss refers to the destruction, fragmentation, or degradation of natural habitats that support the survival and reproduction of various species. Overexploitation. Overexploitation is the unsustainable use of natural resources beyond their capacity for renewal, leading to depletion or even extinction of the resource. Invasive species. Invasive species are non-native organisms that are introduced to a new environment and have the ability to rapidly spread and cause harm to the native species and ecosystems. Climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term and significant changes in Earth's climate patterns, including increases in global temperatures, changes in precipitation and weather patterns, and rising sea levels, largely caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, which release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So here are the consequences with the loss of biodiversity. It changes in ecosystem services affect livelihoods, income, local migration, and on occasion may even cause or exacerbate political conflict. So, here are some saying of Franz Lanting: biodiversity starts in the distant past and it points towards the future. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy nature responsibly.